Hi, welcome to Grade 2 Math with Mrs. Farrington. Today we're going to look at problem solving with addition and subtraction facts to 20. We can solve word problems using addition and subtraction strategies. But before we can use the addition or subtraction strategy, we need to understand the word problem. We're going to have to know, what do we need to find? What information do we use from this word problem? How will we use this information from the word problem? Well, the first thing that we are going to do is read the word problem. Once we read the word problem, we read until we understand the problem, and then we are able to choose a strategy, and finally we are able to solve the problem. Now we are going to look at a strategy that helps us to understand word problems. We are going to use cubes, not like cubes the solid shape, but cubes a strategy. It has 5 parts. First, we will circle important numbers. Then we will underline the question. Then we will box any math action or keywords. Then we will evaluate, think, what steps do I take? And finally, we will solve and double check our work. That is the strategy. Further, we are now going to math vocabulary, key math vocabulary, or what we call keywords, action words, or clue words. These are words that help us to figure out which math strategy we're going to use with math operation. In addition, some keywords are more, total, add, plus, join, both, sum, altogether, in all, added to. These words signal to us that we are adding. Now for subtraction, we have words like subtract, take away, difference, fewer, less, minus, how many more, decrease, how many left. These words are a signal or a clue that we will use subtraction. So now that we've looked at a strategy for understanding the problem, we remember our addition and subtraction strategies, and we've looked at some key math vocabulary. Let's practice. Oh, juicy, juicy conch fritters. What could be the problem? Jaden has 5 conch fritters. Dario has 8 more conch fritters than Jaden. How many conch fritters does Dario have? First, I'm going to circle my numbers. Then I will underline the question. Then I'm going to box my keywords. Now I will evaluate. I think, am I going to add or subtract? I look at my numbers. So I have 2 numbers. The question, how many conch fritters does Dario have? He has more than Jaden. Jaden has 5. He has 8 more. So based on that, I'm going to add. Now I can solve. I set up my addition number sentence. I have 5. Then I'm going to add to 5, 8. And I'm going to use the counting on strategy. I will start with the larger number 8 and count on 5. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Dario has 13 conch fritters. Good job. Wow. Look at the tasty Long Island dillies. Kentisha has 14 dillies. 8 of the dillies are ripe. The others are green. How many dillies are green? First, I will circle the important numbers. Then you underline the question. Next, we will box in any action or clue words. Then, evaluate. We will think, what do we need to do? We know that there are 14 dillies in all. We know that 8 of the dillies are ripe. What we need to know is how many are green. We need to know about the others. So we are looking for the difference between 14 and 8. This tells us that we are going to subtract. Using this information, we are ready to solve our problem. First, we will set up our subtraction number sentence. We know that we have 14 dillies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to now subtract or take away 8 of those dillies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, now we will see what the difference is or how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 green dillies. Kentisha has 6 green dillies. Excellent. Audrey has 8 yellow hog plums and 6 green hog plums in a bag. How many hog plums does she have in all? First, we will circle our important numbers. Next, we will underline the question. Then, we will box any math action clue words. Now, we are ready to evaluate the steps. We know that there are 8 yellow hog plums and 6 green hog plums. What we need to know are how many there are when we put them together in all. The key words or the math action words in all tell us that we are combining or putting together, so we will add. We are now ready to solve our problem. We will begin by setting up our addition number sentence. 8 hog plums. So we will count the yellow hog plums first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we will add the 6 to the 8. And we're counting on. So we stopped at 8. We're going to count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 8 plus 6 equals 14. Audrey has 14 hog lumps. You have been excellent today. Continue to practice your math facts and use the strategy that is easiest for you. This has been Grade 2 Math with Mrs. Farrington. Until next time.